Good morning. My name is Ryan. Today I will share about innovation in green technology. Green technology helps our planet. It is all about using new ideas to protect the environment. Solar energy. One example of green technology is solar energy. Solar panels take sunlight and turn it into electricity. Wind energy. Wind energy is another great example. Wind turbines use the wind to make power. This is clean and does not pollute the air. Recycling. Many items like plastic and paper can be recycled. When we recycle, we make new products from old ones. This helps reduce waste and save resources. Electric cars. They use batteries instead of gas. Electric cars are better for the environment because they produce less pollution. Using green technology protects animals, plants, and our air and water. By using these new ideas, we can help our planet stay clean and safe for everyone. That is all from me. Thank you.